How to hard reset Vivo Y31 Pro 5G. Step 1. At the start, use the power button to disable the Vivo Y31 Pro. Step 2. Secondly, hold down at the same time the power and the volume up button. Step 3. The fast boot mode should be on the screen. Here, use the volume up to choose option and the power key to confirm. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Open the link in the description to finish the hard reset process.